Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is day 1, week 1 of phase 1, and this workout burns between 1,135 calories and 1,388 calories. We are going to get started with a warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the drills we are going to perform. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back to the video to continue. Today's workout will work on developing and establishing your aerobic base, which you would do by running for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles at an easy, comfortable pace. If you're used to running for 30 minutes, then try to aim for 60 and add a 30-second stretch every 2 miles or 10 minutes of running, then go back to your normal pace. You'll find that doing this will help loosen up the muscles and get you into running groove faster. For the next couple of weeks, we are going to concentrate on building a strong running foundation to prepare you for the next phase in week 4. In the second phase, week 4, the workouts will get longer and more arduous, so it's very important that you go on slow, steady runs for the first 3 weeks of training. I put my statistics of my run to give you an idea of how the training program will start to change my pace, calories, but more importantly, my body, my heart rate, and also my steps per minute will start to change as my body reacts and adapts to the stress of running. Part 3 of the training program is a workout routine of specific running exercises to build endurance and stability, which will help you decrease the chance of injury and help you run faster. Here's the list of all the exercises for today's leg and core routine. You can click on the link and it will take you straight into today's workout routine, then come back for part 4. This workout burns between 124 to 248 calories if you decide to do 2 sets of each exercise. It should take about 20 to 40 minutes to complete. As soon as you're done with part 3, go straight into a cool down routine. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. A cool down is important because it helps stretch the muscles that you use today. This will keep the muscles healthy and injury free. This cool down routine lasts about 5 to 10 minutes and burns between 71 to 142 calories. That's it for today. Remember that this is day 1 of phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.